How to hide Vimeo player controls. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how we can hide Vimeo player controls. So first of all, log in into your Vimeo account just like I've done here, and then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your own page automatically. On this page, move to the left side of the screen and then click on your library. Then once you're in your libraries page, select the video that you would want to hide its player controls. Then after selecting the video, you'll be brought to the video settings page. So on this page, move to the top right corner and then click on file operations. All right. Sorry, file options, or move to the share button and then click on the more sharing options instead. Then after selecting that, you'll be brought to you'll see a drop down menu display options like copy link, copy embedded code, download, publish. So once you can see that, click on publish, and then by clicking on publish, another drop down menu will appear. In this menu, click on embed in email. All right, so after selecting embed in email, a window will be displayed on the screen, and then once you're on this page, next step is for you to select the email provider. So by scrolling down, you can see more details about the um, embedded video. So once you're on this page, you can now scroll down and you see the option show play button. So in order to disable the play controls, just turn this off and then the play button will be disabled. And then also you can also select any of this option, custom URL, do not link, select any of them, and you can go ahead and send the video that way. So add the subjects, form, and you are good to go. So this is how you can hide player controls or play controls on your Vimeo videos. Thank you for watching and have a good day.